It's the F-16, a highly maneuverable 9G airframe with a fully integrated heads-up cockpit, unparalleled acceleration. It's a fighter pilot's airplane with the range to get to the fight, the persistence to stay in the fight, and the firepower to win the fight.
Spider back down, let's check 20 left. Spider on his south, person left and left. D-weave. Spider 5-3, bandits on your nose, 10. At northeast, bandits slow. Okay, you moved up.
Flag 6 fire, checker 6.
Falcon 1, I got contact. Alright, 5-1, contact on the nose, 33. Here's Scout 2, 12 o'clock. Falcon 2, just stay vision. Charlie 2, I'm engaged on the man on the right. Down flashing left.
The General Dynamics F-16 began as a contender for the U.S. Air Force's lightweight fighter competition in 1975 and is now well established with major commands of the U.S. Air Force, as well as a number of overseas air arms. The F-16 Fighting Falcon is clearly one of the most important fighter aircraft to have made its debut in recent years. Well over 1,400 F-16s have rolled off the production line at General Dynamics in Fort Worth, Texas, and another 400 from lines in Belgium and the Netherlands. It's anticipated the U.S. Air Force will eventually receive about 2,800 aircraft, while foreign exports currently account for some 1,100 machines delivered or on order. At Hill Air Force Base, in its first operational readiness inspection, the F-16 demonstrated the best air-to-surface accuracies of any ORI ever. During inspections at Hill and at Nellis, the F-16's capabilities were rated either excellent or outstanding. The Fighting Falcon is setting new standards for readiness. Mission-capable rates are higher for the F-16 than any other U.S. Air Force fighter. The adage, high technology won't fly, is no longer true. Reliability is an integral part of the F-16. In addition to operational readiness, the F-16 has been tested in environments like Red Flag, Maple Flag, Green Flag, and Coronet Falcon. Each has dramatically proven the F-16's operational readiness. Worldwide deployment, bare base operation, 15-minute quick turns, and sortie effectiveness rates above 90%. All have been proven. These aren't promises, they're operational results. General Dynamics F-16 Fighting Falcon, the 21st century fighter, is ready now. The F-16, an aerodynamic masterpiece, tested and proven superior for today's air combat arena. Optimized for high lift, low drag, and maneuverability. A small, lightweight airframe, driven by an extremely efficient high-thrust engine. With a thrust-to-weight ratio of greater than 1, the F-16 can sustain a 9G turn. In the air combat arena, the F-16 pilot commands an aerodynamic machine designed to outturn and out-accelerate any other fighter in the world today. The F-16 combines aerodynamic superiority with a versatile external payload of up to 15,000 pounds, enabling it to swing quickly from an air superiority role to a wide range of air-to-ground operations. Add to this a remarkable operational range And the result is a multi-role fighter with the striking power and versatility to be responsive to any combat task. The F-16's unique design generates great fighting range and endurance, with the speed, agility, and power to win. The F-16's combat supremacy begins with the rugged, responsive airframe. But underneath, the F-16 contains one of the most advanced digital avionic designs ever, giving the pilot quick reaction and fingertip control over all flight parameters, from precise, rapid pre-flight programming to highly accurate all-weather weapons delivery. Radar and fire control computations transmitted to the head-up display allow the F-16 pilot to deliver all air-to-air and air-to-ground weapons without looking away from the target and without removing his hands from the flight controls. Employing the F-16 fire control system, the pilot can manage and deliver his diversified weapons with ease and accuracy. In this instance, the pilot selects an air-to-ground delivery mode on the store's control panel. As soon as his choice is made, the fire control computer sets up the radar, the HUD, and the firing sequence for the delivery mode selected. The fire control computer precisely and continuously computes air-to-ground ordnance range, displaying this on the HUD. This frees the pilot to maneuver right up to weapon delivery without loss of accuracy. Another feature that enhances combat responsiveness and reduces pilot workload is the dogfight missile override switch located on the throttle. This one switch permits the pilot, should he encounter an air-to-air threat, to instantly change his fire control system from air to surface to air-to-air. Once the air-to-air threat is no longer a factor, the same switch will return the fire control system to the air-to-surface mode. Designed to outturn, engineered to endure, and armed to dominate, the F-16 means air supremacy.